Hey guys, popping on here to do a really last minute easy Halloween makeup look. I'm going to be doing this skull look. All credits go to this makeup artist. So let's get into it. And before we get into it, it has gotten so cold here. I'm already in sweaters and I think I was in a tank top last week. And also, how cute is my festive light up candy corn necklace? But anyways, let's get into it. Switching over to voiceover, so using my ColourPop Stone Cold Fox palette, start off with a smoky eye already. So going in with Rumor Mill, essentially you want to create a hollowed out structure to your face that's perfect for a skull makeup look. I find it really easy to blend with my fingers. So again, using an angled brush, I am just sketching out an outline using Rumor Mill, and later I'll go in with the black shade, which is called Rock Bottom. Just not that confident in my artistic skills, so it's a lot easier this way. This part's really fun. I'm creating essentially like a kidney bean shape to my nose, and again just carefully sketching it out with an angled brush first. Once I have it in a good place, I'm going in with Rock Bottom and just shading. Forgot to mention, but I did eventually go in later with my Stila liquid eyeliner and I shaded over that and it really helped it pop. And again, just applying the black shade, using my fingers to blend. This part's really fun. I'm creating the skeleton teeth. Just drawing lines over my lips, and I think it really creates and helps add to the spooky effect. And blending. Voila, this is a finished look. It's relatively easy, and again, if you want to just accessorize your looks, I would just throw on some accessories. Like I have this candy corn necklace from Joann Fabrics, and then I have this really cute pumpkin headband. And yeah, hope you guys have a wonderful Halloween, and this hopefully gives you some inspiration for a last minute look. Happy Halloween!